Hey YouTube. Well, we're gonna try out this new flip camera that my brother got. Yeah. Yeah, he's filming with it right now. Oh no, hold on. Look at this. Oh man, look at this. Can you read that on there?
Yeah, imagine that.
Hold on. Alright, well, now that that phone call's out of the way, back to this cold start. I hate when I get interrupted. Oh, yeah. Okay, well, maybe I'm going to send it over here just so we can see his machine in action. Oh, good. Look at big Kohler motor, 14 horsepower, K321. Okay, let's turn up. We'll give it about half throttle. Give it a full choke. I'm sure it'll probably take a couple tries to get it started. Come on!
Oh, she wants to start.
Come on! Pump it! Pump it!
Oh, here we go.
Yeah! I think what we really need is trying to be driving. Power here.
Gotta get footage of plowing some snow.
all it did was leave tire marks on the ground. Oh well, at least I was heating up these old dry rotted hides. I can feel the heat on those things. Alright, well that'll be all for today. I probably won't be filming anything else until after Christmas, because I got to do all the, quality time spending the day with the family, etc., etc. So, I'll look to see you guys after the holiday. Merry Christmas!